Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel for a new mock military video. Today with the JAS-39 GRIPEN from Sweden. This is one of those projects requested a lot, and I know it's been years, but I think the wait was worth it. Especially because for this one I needed to use many of the skills and techniques I improved during the years, and I know it sounds like an excuse, but I really believe the wait was needed. But hey, now it's here, and as usual in this video review I'll show you all the moving parts and the details that in the photos are not so visible. And remember, check the caption of the video where you can find all the links you may need for the instructions, the parts, the full set, the playlist with my all other LEGO creations. As usual, I think we may start from the cockpit where we can see a minifigure inside, because this is in minifigure scale. The cockpit can open like the real one. The real one open sideways like this. We can find the minifigure inside with some instruments that I can show you better this way. The instruments are obviously customizable, so you can choose the printed part or the custom sticker you like most. These are here just to show you that they are instruments, but you can really put whatever you want. We have the HUD, the heads-up display here. The minifigure can be removed, and we can better check the inside like this. We have the canards on the front. These can move in any direction, because here you can clearly see we have a ball joint, so you can not only move it up, down, whatever you want, but also rotate it a little bit like this. You can play with it a lot. Then if we keep going, here we have the main wings. On the main wings we can find the ailerons, flaps and so on that can move obviously. So we have this one that can go down like this. This one can go up and down as well. Let's keep it, I don't know, up for example. Here we have the tail with this part, then can move right and left, of course. Here we have the air brakes needed to slow down when it goes really fast. That can open just like, again, the real one. I tried to implement as many details as possible, like I usually do for my mocks, and I don't know, for this mock maybe this is my favorite section. They can open more if you want, up until here. Then we have more details on the bottom. We have, of course, many hard points for the weapons. We have 2 here under the wing, 2 here under the other wing, 2 on the sides of the wings, and 2 more here on the fuselage. On this other side is not present another hard point, because we have the main gun that you can see here in this dark bluish gray. Here we have the air intakes and some beacon lights, and obviously we have the landing gears that are retractable. Now let's concentrate on the landing gears first, and then we will check again the hard points and weapons. Now for the landing gears, as usual, we start with the front one that you can see. It has this little light here that I think it's pretty nice detail and can be retracted. How? Well, we have 2 hatches that can be easily opened, one here and one here. The hatches for the front landing gear are split in 3 parts. This way you can close the first 2 and keep just one open when it's not retracted. Then you can push the landing gear inside pretty easily and close all 3 of them. 1, 2 and 3. This way you have the front landing gear retracted. Here we have the back landing gears. Of course, as usual, I'll show you how to retract just one. The other one, it's the same. Also for this one, we have the hatches separated in 2 sections for each landing gear. One little section here and the main one here. Let's open the large section first, like this. Okay. And now you have all the space needed for the landing gear that with a ball joint can be moved in any direction, and you need only to keep it straight, rotate it like this, and push inside here. You can see here we have the space for the wheel, So you can simply push this one inside up until the end. And when it stops, you can simply close all the hatches. First, the main one that covers everything, and then this little section here, like this. And finally, it's time for the weapons. Again, here we have the main gun, and here we have all the hard points. You can also decide to not use all of them. Each hard point is disconnectable, so we can remove 1 and 2 on the fuselage, 1, 2, 3 and 4 under the wings, and this is the final result without the hard points. That I think it's pretty nice as well. If you like this aircraft, probably you will like it also without weapons. While of course, if you want to connect the weapons, you need the hard points, and obviously not all of them. You can also decide to use maybe only the one under the wings and remove the one on the fuselage, or maybe all but not this one because I don't know, you don't like it. And what about the weapons? Well, as usual, when you get one of my fighters, you also get my weapons pack with many weapons. As you may notice, you have a huge choice of weapons, and of course you can decide which one you want, how many you want. In this case, for the video, I choose some random weapons to show you more or less the final result. And this is it with the weapons and a stand. This is my free stand. You can find it in the free tutorial playlist here on the channel. But of course, you can also decide to not use my stand, but a custom one. This one simply connects here on the fuselage, but we also have technical connection to make the connection stronger. And here we have some random weapons I added just to show you the final result. And that's it. I have shown you all the features this aircraft has. I really hope you like the final result, because maybe you don't think so, but the design was kinda difficult. Not because of the shapes that are pretty standard. Stealth aircraft usually are more difficult to design, but because it's small. In this scale, some details, even if usually are not so complicated, in this specific case, yes, they were. It took me a while to find the right balance, but I think the final result is perfect. I don't think there is anything else I can improve for this one. And if you agree with me and like the design, remember to give a thumbs up. Remember to check again in the caption of the video the playlist with my all other designs. They are divided by categories. This way it's easier to find what you like most. And remember also to leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about this design, my other designs, what you want to see next. This one was one of the most requested. So yes, I read your comments. Remember to let me know what you want to see designed by me, because if I don't see your comments, I can't know what to build next. And that's it, the video review for the GRIPEN finished here, and see you again next time with a new video. Bye!